To export a vertical or square video, you need to adjust your sequence size or create a new sequence. To create a new sequence, go to File, New, Sequence. Go into Settings. For your editing mode, select Custom. Now adjust the frame size to your wanted dimensions. For a vertical video, that's 1080 by 1920, and for square video, it's 1080 by 1080 pixels. Adjust the frame rate and other settings if needed. You can save this custom sequence as a preset, so you don't need to do this every time. You will find this preset in the Sequence Presets section. Now you have a vertical or square sequence. Import, scale, and position your footage so it takes up the whole space. You can also copy your original widescreen edit and adjust it so it fits here. To export the video, select your timeline window, go to File, Export, Media. The export settings will automatically match your sequence settings. Finally, click Export. To modify your existing sequence, click Sequence here at the top, then Sequence Settings. And do the same procedure I showed you before. Then click OK and your sequence size will change. But wait! I respond to every comment, so feel free to ask any questions or suggest ideas for future tutorials in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.